Hi everyone, this is Samsung Xpress M2070. In this video I will show you how to connect this printer to your smartphone. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go. First of all, you need to make sure your printer is ready for connection. You need to power it on, so press the power button once. Wait for system initializing and also wait until the printer stops making any sounds. Now, as you can see, it's warming up, so please wait. Now take a look at the wireless indicator over here. If it's not glowing, it means the printer is ready for connection. But if it's glowing blue, you need to reset Wi-Fi settings. To reset Wi-Fi settings, press Menu, then use left and right arrows to find Network. Press OK. Find Wi-Fi. Find Wi-Fi default and press OK. Now it's restoring and it's 100% ready for connection. Unfortunately, there is no special application for this printer that can automatically do everything for you. So before printing and scanning from your smartphone, you need to connect this printer to your home network manually. And you have two options. The first one is WPS. If your router has WPS button, everything is very easy for you. Just press WPS button on your router and then within 2 minutes press and hold WPS button on the printer. Now it's connecting. Wait for a while, it may take up to 1 minute, maybe a little more. Now, as you can see, it's connected to your network and it's printing, the printer is printing reports. In this report, you can see different information about your printer's connection, and the most important for you is TCP IPv4 IP address. This one. This address you can use to enter the printer's settings from any web browser. If your router doesn't have physical WPS button like mine, a WPS button should be in router settings. You can access these settings from any web browser and you need to apply to your router's user manual to find out how to do it. Another way is connect your devices to the printer via Wi-Fi direct. To do this, press the menu button. Now find Network. Next find Wi-Fi. And finally find Wi-Fi direct. Make sure the feature is on, press OK here and look if you have an asterisk here next to on. If yes, just press back and find device name. Press OK. Remember this device name. If you need to change it, it's a long way. You need to press the back arrow or left arrow and you need to select the letters like this one by one. Press an OK after each, and once you're done, press OK one more time. But I won't change the name, it's very long, so I just notice the name. Now find network key, also write it down. Next go back, and also I recommend you to write down direct IP address, this one. So now you can connect any device to Wi-Fi direct using these credentials. Now it's time to connect your smartphone to the printer, and if your printer is connected to a shared Wi-Fi network, you don't have to do anything. You just need to make sure that your smartphone is connected to the same network. So let's check this. My printer is connected to my home network, so let's open Wi-Fi settings. And I already see my smartphone is connected to the same network, so I can print from any application that allows to do it. Let's print from files, for example. Let's go to Files, browse on my iPhone, go to Documents and print, let's say, this one. Tap on that. Now tap on Share icon, tap on Print, select your printer. Samsung M2070 series. Now select number of copies, paper size, media type and quality, layout. You can print up to 16 pages per sheet. And once you're done, just tap on print and let the printer to do its job. Good job, thank you printer. If you want to connect the phone to Wi-Fi direct, you need just go to Wi-Fi settings, find your printer's network, and enter the password you recently written down. And tap on join. But keep in mind that when you connect it to the printer directly, you can't use Wi-Fi to browse internet, but you still can use mobile data. And also there is still not entirely clear how to scan and save scan results on your smartphone. So let's connect back to the internet. And what we need to do is go to App Store or Google Play Store on Android devices and get HP Samsung Mobile Print application. HP is because Samsung printers are managed by Hewlett Packard now. So install the application, open it, allow notifications or don't allow if you don't want, accept terms and conditions, press OK, allow to use location, this is necessary. Bad news, guys, this application works pretty poorly, but I haven't found anything better to scan from Samsung printers on mobile. So what you need to do in this application is tap on scan. Next, adjust your settings, select your paper size, select scanning quality, let's scan in high quality, color or grayscale. I can't tap on this option, so I don't know what is this, and select the file format. Let's create PDF multi-page. Also have gear icon here to go to settings. The same settings as in this bar at the top, actually. Swipe left to get the device info. Actually, we don't need device info to scan, so let's close this menu. And now you need to correctly place your document into the scanning unit. So open the lid and put your document facing down and make sure that the top left corner is aligned to the top left corner of the scanning surface. You have the arrow pointing to the corner, so you need to align the corners like this. Also, notice your paper size to adjust your settings in the scanning menu and close the lid. Now in the wonderfully early 2000s style interface, press the green scan button. And the scan is in process. Now it's completed and you're asked about, do you want to continue scan? Let's tap on yes and add one more page to our document. So once again, place the document correctly into the scanning unit, then adjust your settings and tap on scan. Now I want to finish scanning, so let's tap no over here. And what we can do now, we can send this scan somewhere. Mobile print fax, send by email, and open in. Let's open somewhere. Oh, this is normal iPhone menu and we can save our document to files. Let's save to documents. In this field you can rename as always on iPhone and just tap on save. And that's pretty it. That's how to scan on your smartphone from Samsung printer. Overall, now you know how to connect your Samsung Xpress M2070W to your smartphone using shared network or direct connection. You know how to print and how to scan, so you know all the basic features. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.